Mad dog, with the weed, give me the light for the flame. On the highway, the market done in a jet plane. Be a braffin when we pull up a St. James. G's in a jeans, 2 pocket them strain.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People walk on. This is another music review episode. People, me come to talk about an artist when named Chronicler. Yo, the man a shell down the whole place right now. And rumor have it for say right now him are the next big thing. So the man have a song out now when he am happy right now, and the next one when he am loud. And we are gonna review the two of them. And we are gonna talk a little about the artist as well. So people don't go nowhere because you have to listen to the episode there. If you love music and you love hear new artists, where you gonna left the review you go.
Hilltop, the thing loud on a regular braff. Guns out telling me a back off. Yo, what some big Benz man a brain on me yard. Thick girl like Nicki Minaj.
Every know the Dan the man the one right now me have
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know, come me say YouTube, that chop and such chop, yo.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said.
It's exploded right now. Probably uno hear that Chatty around the street, brav. You see me? And the 6 is real. So at them man create that something there. You see me? At them name the 6. Him, Squashman, you see me? And Up Top Boss, and the whole of them from Mobile, at them man they say 6. You see it? But guess what now? Chronicler no come from Mobile. Chronicler no come from Mobile. Chronicler come from St. Thomas. You see me? But him a lot down the east side. So it's a east side and west side connection. Oh, that work, me don't know. But it a go on. So you see right now, me a go jump in at the review for loud. Me a go review loud first. Because that song I'm not telling a lie. I love it.
Yeah. 6. The thing loud like when Transformer bus. My dog, thing loud like when Transformer bus. Hilltop, the thing loud on a regular braff. Guns out telling me a back off. Yo, what some big Benz man a brain on me yard. Thick girl like Nicki Minaj.
So the man start off the song by saying the thing loud like when Transformer bus. People, who don't know when JPS Transformer then bus and then no current no inner the whole community no light, are just darkness. Well, X out the darkness part. I saw the man thing loud, you see me? The whole community can hear it, and the whole community can realize that the man thing loud. You see me? And you see when him and him thugs them apart, the enemy have to know where them a do, cause them can't just run in so. And a loud alone the thing loud. You see me? But it must be a badness back of that.
No, we no pray for that poor. Money out of men's dog. No, we no pray for that poor. But she house a fee enlarge. Yeah, the thing loud like on pan whole bike. Money counting all night. With the weed, give me power night. Yeah, Hennessy with no ice. Hey, baby.
So, who a follow dancehall music? Who like dancehall music? A matter of fact, who can listen and know anything we are no garbage? You see me, because some people him can tell us say, yo, the song the bad, but them can't tell you what about the song bad, but them just can't tell us say the song bad, because them don't really understand the thing like that. Yo, even a little pitney pan a breast right now can see, say the man voice just unique. Hear how the man voice sound and hear how it a flow. And the man a sing a song where relatable. Anybody can relatable to that song where the man a sing, because yo, everybody want the thing to happen. Everybody want them thing to get loud. Them step in the street, them not even feel for bus fare or gas money. You see me? Everything just a happen. If a boy try violate the machine, them dead and ready. You see it? So everybody want them thing loud.
Be around like make me turn you on like phone light. Money make you tip on to a pint. Beat man beat up poor life. Mad boss soon buy Benz and Rose right.
The man say him beat up poor life. Him see poor life and just drape it up and just box it up and just kick it up. So everybody want to live in it, you see me? Just beat up poor life. And you just have to do it. I call up on a youth like Chronicler. Me I like call him man Chronicler. Yo, a Chronicler the youth name. Chronicler the artist name. You see me? The man I do it right now. This a man a name in a street loud. Me not telling a lie. Everywhere me turn, people are say, Chaddy, oh, me not see a review Chronicler. How you do youth? mind where you do to your career, you know. Oh, you now review the artist there. And right now, him are the hottest artist, underground artist right now. Artist when a boss fully, him more really same boss because still him now have a #1 hit song, but him are the hottest artist we have the buzz right now. And everybody and them mother of it for say the artist here I go take 2019. But people, tell me what you think in the comment section below. You feel say the artist here ready for the road? You go ask me, him ready for the road? Yo, hold on. May I make Uno answer that? Uno listen to that part here.
Yeah, the thing loud like market people. AC cool na the artist vehicle. Rich badness, me no laugh with people. One brick kill a nigga fast with ease. Yeah. Falcon them shouldn't fast with Seaview. The Bima roll out fast with 3 you. $500,000 the AR-15 new. Be a new Glock with the tall clip sail.
So after you hear a verse like that, you still don't decide if he's a bad artist as well? Well, me I tell you need to stop listen the dancehall and go find one next genre. Listen, if you don't feel like say the artist is bad, me I tell you the man say it thing loud like market people. When me did a youth, I got school, you see me, and teacher left out, you know it thing go. When we are little youth, road, you see me, bad. And teacher does left out for a minute, and the class turn upside down and a be nice. You see when the teacher forward in back, the teacher say, yo, in your market, and every thugs, every gangster in the street can relate to that. Yo, you see, in a market, in a Jamaican market, me never got a foreign market yet. You see me? But me can't talk about Jamaican market. Yo, me I tell you, people with their 2 feet apart and you can't hear nothing when them a say, all when them a shout. Yeah man, so I saw the artist thing loud. You see me right now, the artist thing loud. I'm not telling a lie. You see that tune here when him loud, it bad. But right now, people, me have got left the link in the description for the song there. I want to go and go check it out for yourself. But right now, me have to review. Happy right now.
Yeah, we are right. Living the life we are right. Mad dog, with the weed, give me the light for the flame. On the highway, the mark done in a jet plane. Yeah. Be a braffin when we pull up a St. James. G's in a jeans, 2 pocket them strain.
And people who not gonna really hear lyrics like that and go on like said the artist not bad. The man say, my dog, give me the weed, give me the light for the flame. On the highway, the mark done in a jet plane. Yo, hear them lyrics, the ear and ear, the man a flow with it. The man only have lyrics, you know, the man a flow. And people, me not telling a lie. At first, me a hear them kind of lyrics there. The man said the mark done in a jet plane. So you know how fast them a go on the highway and spliff in a hand and beer things. You know say a be a braffin, cause in pocket them strain, you know. So you know say them full of G's.
Boss, if you know, I'm a dog, me name, me gold pendant, look bad by me chain. We have girl from London and Spain. Money does a flow like rain.
Yeah, we make moves, we no look excuse and forget food. No, we no step close. The whole crew soon go on a jet blow. The gate pull right now, full step through.
So yo, definitely the gate a pull, and the gate have a pull for them 2 artists. Yo, you see, if Chronic Law no forward the road, I say forward the road, me mean bust a road real way in a 2019, yo, me done with YouTube. Me done with music. Yo, me I go listen gospel music, I swear. You see me? If the artists are no boss in a 2019. But people, wanna tell me what you think and tell me what you think about the new crapper artists them from Mobile. Even though as when me say Chronic Law don't directly forward from Mobile, him and the 6 them apart. Him a link with the 6 them, you see me? So him kinda forward from Mobile. In a sense, well, him link with them to the links think a theme place down at Mobile, you see me? So tell me what you think about them artists they car. Yo, 2018 was a good year, you know. And me don't know if you don't see it how much artists bust, but it was a good year, people. This year was a good year. So tell me what you think in the comment section right now. You see me? If you don't feel like say Chronic Law fi touch road. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Also, if it's the first time you're checking out the Chaddy More TV, don't be afraid, man. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification as well. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're gonna be the first to know. And people, like, comment and share. Let me know what you think about the 2 songs them. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.
Hilltop, the thing loud on a regular braff. Guns out telling me a back off. Yo, was some big Benz man a praying on me yard. Thick girl like Nicki Minaj.